Today, we're comparing Nokian's Hakka Green 3, designed for fuel efficiency, against the high-performance Hakka Blue 3. Let's break down the numbers to see how these two stack up in wet, dry, noise, and fuel efficiency. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Nokian Hakka Green 3 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet performance, this is where the Hakka Blue 3 shows its strength. In wet braking, it outperformed the Hakka Green 3 by 5.1 meters. That's enough room to fit a full car in between. On the wet handling track, the Hakka Blue 3 was 1.2 seconds faster, ensuring more control in slick conditions. When it comes to aquaplaning, the Blue 3 also excelled, with a 9.7 km/h higher slip speed. Moving to dry performance, the Hakka Blue 3 continues to lead. In dry braking, it stops 2.4 meters earlier than the Hakka Green 3. For dry handling, the Blue 3 completes the lap 1.1 seconds faster than the Green 3. The differences are closer here, but the Blue 3 maintains a slight edge in overall dry performance. Now, let's talk about noise and comfort, where the Hakka Green 3 shines. It scored a perfect 5 out of 5 in noise reduction, while the Hakka Blue 3 scored 4, making the Green 3 slightly quieter. For subjective comfort, the Green 3 scored 4 out of 5 compared to the Blue 3's 3, offering a smoother, more cushioned ride overall. Finally, rolling resistance and fuel efficiency. Within a rating, the Hakka Green 3 provides a rolling resistance coefficient value that is 1.94 lower than the Hakka Blue 3, translating to an estimated fuel consumption of 5.17 liters per 100 kilometers, compared to 5.49 for the Blue 3. While the difference may not seem large, it adds up over time, especially for electric vehicle drivers aiming to maximize range. To sum it up, the Nokian Hakka Green 3 offers a quieter and more efficient ride, ideal for electric vehicle owners focused on range and comfort. On the other hand, the Nokian Hakka Blue 3 dominates in wet and dry performance, with faster braking, better handling, and superior aquaplaning resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.